All right, we have a quick unbagging here of a new product that I saw being used in Stamp Wars on the Nancy Stamps YouTube channel yesterday. I ordered it during the Stamp Wars event where they were using Stampscapes Nature Sheet number 11, and I really like the looks of it. I've seen this type of paper before, but I never really looked into it, okay? So this is a holographic cardstock. Okay, now not to be mistaken with the holographic printable vinyl that I've been using of late. Okay, I'm going back to the cardstocks right here. All right, but I think Nancy from the Nancy Stamps channel, I think said that she sent some sheets of this type of cardstock over to the rest of the the participants in Stamp Wars. Be sure and check that event out. It is really cool watching that. It raises my heart rate up watching that event. It's crazy, but I don't know. You just got to check out the format of that one. But you know, people get this unknown type of product, and they don't know what it's going to be. And I think they have, I don't know what it is, like 2 hours or something like that to create, I don't know, however many number of cards or whatever the challenge is. So I don't know. It gets my heart rate up just watching it, and I'm not even participating. So it's just so much fun. But okay, here's one of the papers that one of the participants was using, and I'm not sure which one of these it was. I think it was the golden one like that, because I remember seeing these rays of light. It's like a prism or something like that. And that's a type of holographic that I haven't used yet. I've used more of the kind of the rainbowy type. You can see that this one here is much more kind of extreme. It's more in the spirit of the old chrome coat holographic like this, okay? But you can see there's a different patterning to this one. It's kind of got that jagged, kind of like little elongated ribbon. I don't know. I wouldn't call it a ribbony type of thing, but okay. So this one comes in different colors here. Look at that. That is extreme right there. It's a very loud paper. I think there's one, two, three. That one's more of the silvery. Look at that. That is insane. This one looks bronze. This one looks gold right here. And this almost looks like a different color as well. But anyways, a lot of fun here. Now, applications, okay? So, I don't know. But that sure looks, well, that doesn't look Northern Lights to me. But you know what I mean? This elongated type of thing, you can probably do something in the spirit of like a Northern Lights type of thing. I mean, it's definitely, you know, not Northern Lights ish or looking, okay, but it's in that spirit in terms of this elongated thing. It looks more like I don't know, like spotlights, you know, like refracted spotlights or something like that. Going like that. But anyways, you can do like things like this, you know, you can have it in the sky or water, that type of thing. I was envisioning it for that type of look. You can do some blocking out with you know, some of the Brilliance white pigment ink, you know, to stamps out some imagery that will stand out a little bit more than, like, say, your spruce trees or something like that. That'll work on this just fine. But for your more kind of delicate types of imagery, you'd have to do some blocking out, I would think, and then stamp it out then there. Otherwise, these lines will just be going straight through, you know, something like a rock or something like that. If I stamp this out down here, you know, all those things are going to be showing right through it unless I do some blocking out. Okay, but that's easy to do. But anyway, I don't know. I used to avoid kind of the more super loud types of visual surfaces to work on. But I don't do that anymore. I'm looking for that type of thing, I think, and I saw it in Stamp Wars. Again, just check that out. That's Nancy Stamps. And I don't know. These are really fun looking. Even if I didn't stamp on these, I mean, these can be, I don't know, it could be like some sort of framing around something. And I think that would be really cool. But I like that it's a multicolor pack though too, you know, because I wouldn't want 60 of one of these colors, I don't think, okay? It'd be a little bit too much, but got a pretty good spectrum of colors right here. Look at that. Sure looks like metallic or whatnot like that, huh? But pretty cool. Looking forward to trying it out and trying to figure out what to do with it, you know. Some more silhouette-based objects, you know, again, would work really good with that. And that's the way it was being used yesterday in the Stamp Wars event with the nature set number 11, especially with the Palm Island that was being used on it. The palms with huts are a little bit clear, but I would do, you know, a little bit of touch-ups in like the rooftops and things like that with some white, I would think. But I don't know. We'll see how it goes. And looking forward to trying it out. Thanks to everyone in Stamp Wars and Nancy Stamp's channel for, you know, allowing Stampscapes being a part of, I think it was Stamp Wars 23, I think it was. And I don't know, I saw a lot of different products on there being used. That's one good thing about it, you know, watch everyone using certain types of tools. It's like, what, you know, I'm typing into the chat thing. What was that? What's that thing that you know, Chow's you? What you know? What kind of paper is that? You know, being used there, and what tool was that? So I don't know. Learn a lot, and this is one of those types of products that I can't wait to use. Okay, so anyways, thanks for watching, and I don't know if you have any questions. Drop me a note in the comments section.